Pedro Pasha, there was massive massacre, conflagration, and destruction. And I hope our young people today remember our historical antecedents, because all that happened in that matter was also because of our losing our first love. And this is the previous lesson that Filipinos today, and all of those of future generations must never forget, that is, war is no longer an option. Today, also young Filipinos must remember that the massacre at Mama Sapana, like I read about it, was plain, mindless terrorism, and must no longer be a part of our lifestyle in the 21st century. And coming to our life, this event, or meaningfully, remember our 82nd church anniversary. Sabihin niyo sa mga anak ninyo,